In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix missing music here on Instagram. Before we dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, but in this quick guide, we're going specifically over how you can fix the problem when Instagram music is missing. The first thing that you're going to want to do is open up Instagram and go to your profile page by clicking your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After doing so, click the three lines up in the top right, and what you're going to want to do is scroll down until you see the option that says for professionals. Now, if you're trying to add music to a post, reel, or story but can't find certain songs, for example, like Drake, it's usually because of your account type. Now, in my case, I am a creator on Instagram, so I would select this creator tools and control section and scroll down until I see the switch account type section and switch it to either a personal account or a business account. Now, usually business doesn't have the ability to add these songs, so keep that in mind. That's usually where you're struggling. Creator account does have the videos though, so in this case, I am good, but that's what you'd want to go ahead and change. Now from here, you can go ahead and begin making an Instagram post, and now when you go to the music settings, you should be able to see all of the songs. But yeah, that's it. You've now fixed the Instagram music issue. If this video guide did help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It really does help us out. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.